Thanks for you to use Genio Machinery 63-ton hydraulic machine. The following is the operation guide. First, fill the machine with hydraulic oil. This is the hydraulic oil inlet. Add 6-8 hydraulic oil. Other hydraulic oils may cause the machine to malfunction. Fill the tank with oil, at least to third full. When the hydraulic oil drops to the red line, add oil in time. It shouldn't be lower than the red line, otherwise the machine cannot start. Then, less wiring. Genio Machinery hydraulic machine, equipped with international standards. E is ground wire, N is neutral wire, LELRL3 are live wires. The main switch must be turned off before wiring. Connect the neutral wire first. The neutral wire should correspond to the N. Then, connect the 3 live wires. Connect the ground wire and wrap it with electrical tape. Can't leave the copper wire exposed. After connecting the wire, turn on the main switch. Turn on the machine main switch. Turn on the screen button. Wait for the display to light up and show the home screen. Twist the automatic manual switch button. Press the red button to test whether the machine can move. If it can move, it is normal. If the machine can't move, check whether its motor is revered. It is turning to the right is normal, but it is turning to the left is abnormal. The solution to this problem is to swap any 2 of the 3 live wires. Now, start the red button again. It is moved now. Keep pressing the red button and manually drive it to the outermost position. Put the mode on it and test it. Note you need to use both hands to activate the green button. Drive it into the machine. When the mode is 1 to 2 cm away, stop and light up the pressure point. Now, we can set the parameters on the touch screen. Set the molding time and exhaust times. On the function selection page, select electric heat on the temperature control setting page. The lights on the 4 thermostats here are on. Set the temperature according to your product. Note the mold needs to be pushed in and keep it warm. When the temperature reaches the set temperature, you can start making the product. Now, we use automatic function. Put the mold and turn the green button to automatic position. Press the start button with both hands. As it goes in and rises, there's a pressure gauge here to check the pressure. Note this is the factory setting. No need to adjust. Connect Genio Engineer if you need. You can check the molding time above. When the molding time you set is up, the machine will automatically eject the mold. Note the mold and product, just out of vulcanization molding, are extremely hot. You must wear gloves to take out it. Operate strictly according to the specifications. Thanks for your watching. Genio Machinery provide you all production process technology.